Hello, welcome to Spark ABC, an easy-to-understand, easy-to-learn, self-learning app for 2 to 8-year-olds to learn English anywhere, anytime. Spark ABC is designed to foster children's language acquisition. With AI technology, children can interact with their mobile devices and learn while playing. With Spark ABC, your child will be proficient in 26 English letters, able to understand and speak over 2,000 words, phrases, and sentences, spell more than 400 words, read more than 100 picture books, and dance and sing along to over 50 classic children's songs. Look! Our original characters, Benny, Abby, and Casey, will accompany your children on their learning journey to spark their learning enthusiasm. Original dynamic flashcards show how the words are used in real-life contexts. The sounds in the videos are completely matched, making it easier for children to understand, learn, and use. Our teaching videos of native English speakers help children put what they've learned into real-life practice.
Oh, it's a toaster!
With our dynamic teachers, the learning of letters and phonics can be fun. Spark ABC is designed by our professional curriculum development team. It covers 60 interesting topics relating closely to children's daily lives. The sessions of words, practice, video, quiz, and speaking form a learning loop that helps children to achieve their optimal learning outcomes. In terms of the course setting, a review lesson follows 4 regular lessons to help children review what they've learned. Paper. A detailed learning record and learning report will be provided to keep track of your child's learning progress and results. Just go to the App Store or Google Play. Download the app and start your child's English learning journey with fun and ease.